Bam! Just like that, we're in the cockpit. So this is what I use for the hand controls. As you guys know, I am paraplegic. So this is how I drive. So this is gas. This is brake. And this shit got stuck. Oh, it's on my foot. It got stuck on my foot, so. This is gas. And then this is brake. Bam. Simple. Took me a minute, but we are in here. I just need to get it dropped because, as you guys seen, it is stock height, so a little harder for me to get on, just transfer on here, but whatever, we make it work with what we got. You know what I mean? It is what it is. Anyways, welcome back, you guys. New day, new video. Starting off this one, obviously inside Bigface. I just showing you guys a quick little montage of what I need to do to get transferred in here. I need to turn on the truck. I need my brother to turn it around for me. Turn it around, and then that way it can be a little bit up to level and up to my height enough to where it's safe enough for me to transfer into it. You know what I mean? With the sliding board, so it won't fall out or anything like that. It's not too much of an angle. So that's the way I get on here. You know what I mean? But like I had said, you make it work with what we got. It is what it is. So I want to say last week or a week and a half ago, I think it was, we installed sounds on the truck. We did the highs, the mids. We did 4x6s, 6.5s, 5 1/4s, and then twitters. And then I bought a 10 off of my boy Nate. It's cool. I just don't like how this seat sits. You know what I mean? Like there's a big old gap right here, and then people are uncomfortable. There's no knee space. I don't like that. So I hit up my boy Adam over at Santa Ana Sound. I go way back with Adam. We had I don't know if you guys remember me in the truck scene. I go way back, but there's a video in the beginning of the truck scene back in 2012, I think it was, or 2011, when we were from Diablo's Performance Truck. Adam is the one that recorded the whole video, put it together along with my boy Silva Photography. Boy, they killed that video. It got taken down from YouTube though. It was a sick video though. But I mean, it is what it is. So yeah, he has a sound shop now over here on Harbor. And I asked him if he had something in stock that, or something that can help me with that. So we're gonna go check that out, see what he has. Hopefully it's a good, decent size speaker, so my passengers can fit in here a lot better. And then, well, also, I'm gonna go ahead and go to my boy Heido's pad. We're gonna try to change this right here. I want this on already so it can match the whole theme of the interior, as you guys seen. So it'll match it. It's just this connection right here that I need help with. Well, I don't need help, but it's easier when there's two people here, since I can't get under there or whatever. But vámonos. Let's do this.
Do you know? Because I don't have the box that fits in here. I just don't know how deep the sub is.
Yeah. Is it a shallow box?
There's not shallow. How many subs are you trying to run? 1 or 2?
Just 1, to be honest. But ahorita I don't really care. Later, yeah, pues I'll get. When I get all the things down in here, pues ya le hago una custom box for 2. Pero por ahorita nomás con una está bien. I'm chilling. Pero esa box no.
Let me grab this box that I have. The box that I have actually sounds real good.
Really?
Yeah. Estamos bien escondidos, ¿verdad?
Yeah. Last time I came, I didn't know there was like 2 sides to it. I was looking for you on the other side. You want me to disconnect it right here?
The knot is the negative, huh?
I believe so, yeah. Still connected. Let you hold it, no? Damn, el mero fregadazo, bro.
So that right there is with the amp back there.
Yeah.
If we push the amps that way, this will go in.
Well, by like next week, lo voy a quitar todo esto.
Okay.
Yeah, so yeah, I can go off of the measurements. Porque aquí va a llegar una drain pan for the water.
Okay. Oh, for the window?
For the window to leak.
Okay.
So I needed it to know exactly what box I was going to put on there para go off of the measurements ahí.
And if you want to push it back even farther,
yeah,
this is about 2 inches right there. Just cut it right here. We can cut it for you.
Okay.
And
Nah, pero pues así por ahorita.
Pero ahí queda. I'm having my guy take out the sub right now just to test fit your sub in this box.
Okay.
Just to make sure it works. Let me just confirm that your sub fit.
Okay. You got your shop right here? Your own shop y todo?
Yeah, this is my shop, bro.
Yeah?
Now, we've been here for a few years now. Doing pretty good. On the El Camino, we're doing full system, full interior. I don't know if you saw that 64 ride that's in there.
Yeah, I seen it.
$3 dollar sign.
Oh yeah, I seen you had done a post.
Yeah, so we did the system on it, and he brought it back today. He wants us to customize the trunk.
Oh shoot.
He loved how it sounded, but
but
he's like, oh man, when I open my trunk, blah blah blah. Like,
he wants us to look at that.
Yeah, I was like, hey, bro, I gave you a price for a system, not for a custom trunk. So he brought it back today. We're doing a custom center console, custom trunk. While he was here, he talked to YG.
Yeah.
So when he picks up his car, YG's bringing his car.
Oh shoot.
Yeah.
So you're gonna start going down that lane.
Yeah, we're staying busy with that stuff.
Yeah, that's good, G.
And,
Pero for more. Big shout out, canal. Appreciate you. Gracias. Adam from San Ana
Sound, brother.
San Ana Sound, no? Where you guys located at, canal?
160 South Harbor, Unit N, right off of Harbor and First. But hit us up on Instagram. Instagram San Ana Sound.
Yeah, that's the best way to reach out to
car
you.
audio, custom boxes, whatever. We got you.
Yep. Well, you guys heard it here first. And I was telling you guys earlier, my boy Adam is the one that put me on the map by actually documenting that first video, from Diablos. That it got a lot of views actually too.
That was hundreds of thousands.
Before
it was easy to get 100,000 views. You got 100,000. I think it was like 700,000 or 800,000 views last time I checked.
Yeah.
And last time I checked was probably 10 years ago.
Yeah, it's been a while, but they got to take it down, unfortunately.
So, I didn't know that.
Yeah, they got to take it down. I looked for it the other day because I wanted to get like a screenshot, screen recording, and just post it up. But I couldn't find it.
Later that same evening.
All right, bam. We just got to my boy idles pad. So I've been trying to change the shifting knob for quite some time actually, but the only issue is that they clipped the clip right here. And we have to take it off from all the way back there and solder it. Está hasta abajo, ¿no? ¿Hasta dónde llegará esa madre, güey? No, it's right here. No, it's right here, fool. Sí, güey. I don't think que lo pueda desenchufar. You have to come on this side, fool. Tú tienes una mano más. A ver, look, this is the cable right here. Okay, so we have to disconnect, but too small. Pero sabes, güey, lo vamos a tener que hacer primero and then connect it and then solder it after. What do we?
Oh no, like
what did we do wrong?
And connect it, pero esa madre no ocupas de ponerla, nomás la enchufas aquí.
Oh yeah, I know.
Hombre, esos son torques, güey. Ese no es de este, ese es de este,
Está muy big o too small?
Too big este y el otro está muy small. Pero se me hace que son de estos, será. Let me check mine.
Pero el de acá, ¿cómo lo vas a quitar? Sí, güey, tiene pins.
¿Cómo?
Está pinned.
It's just this part, ¿no?
No, watch, you'll see right now. Dale.
No tienes ahí la...
¿Es ese?
Yeah. But where's the little extension que trae?
¿Te la di, no? Sí, güey, te la di. Que no la tengo. Bam.
And just like that.
And just like that, after a couple fucking tugs and pulls, we got the shifting handle off. Now we're gonna put on the new one. This is a new one that we're doing, so it can match all the... We'll see how it looks. On the camera shortly. Vámonos. Y mi compa, el talibán, haciendo sus inventos. Mira, no lo arrancamos aquí. Fuck, didn't cover my address. Oh. Así lo cortaron ellos. Pues, que a ver si sirve. Hope it works.
Así le cortaron no es porque así sirve, güey.
Porque sí va, güey.
Sí, no la cortaron.
A few inches later.
Quita el dash.
El ¿Sí lo ves ahí?
No me acuerdo cuál era, güey. Ya valió, ya lo perdí.
Tengo lo que quiero. A mí no me falta el dinero. ¿Cómo de que no? Falta todo. No, ya valió.
I lost it.
A ver,
Oh, I found it.
déjate lo meto.
Deja que no sirva, güey. Que se haga un corte y que se queme la troca. Vale, verga.
Okay, so we're testing it.
A ver.
Test. First test.
Tiene que prender.
Acá el tojo. Oh, sí, fue el escándalo.
Hoy, es el zoom, hoy.
A ver.
Hoy. Change the map. Ahí está. Solder it. Ahí.
Okay, so let's take this out. Lo vas a quitar and you're just gonna solder it.
Yes, sir. Desarmado.
Vámonos.
A few moments later.
A ver.
Pues nomás para que.
Damn.
You know?
Ahí está, mira. Nice little.
Es okay. Un moquito es
Un
nomás
moquito.
para que.
Para que pegue, que asegure, pues.
Sí.
Ahí
Ya
está,
con
mira.
tape, ya. Y con el tape se va a mirar bien professional.
Sí, pues no se vería nada ahí, fu.
Agárrame la palanca, güey.
Ah, no tú. Te agarro el fierro, fu. Mira cómo trae el Jairo aquí agarrándole la palanca al perro. No tú, sientes a gusto, fu.
Mamadita, güey.
No homo, fu. Padre. ¿Qué van a pensar? ¿Qué van a decir de nosotros?
Estoy casado, güey. No me involucres en mí.
Bam. So we're gonna go ahead and just wrap this up. My boy just finished soldering it together, boogers on it. And we're gonna connect it, put it all together, and I'll show you the end results. Then we'll go from there. At least we got something accomplished today. Y para este compa está cabrón.
Gotta go back to play some COD.
No quería prender. Pero ahí está, ahí quedó. La handle. Todo how it works. And everything, and it matches the whole little theme. The titanium little finish theme. So yeah, we're just gonna do the cluster. We'll take it out again one more time, send it out, and then we'll do the turn signals. Bam! Another little mod done to the big face. Yeah, big shout out, my boy Idol. Always coming through. Give my boy a follow. We've been thinking of renaming the channel, but it's not definite yet. We've been thinking about it, throwing around some ideas.
It's a process.
Still a process, a working process. Con calmilla. But yeah, if you guys need any mechanic work, any mobile needs, I'm gonna go ahead and link my boy's Instagram down here at Heidel.
Ahí lo pones.
Ahí está, ahí lo puse.
Luego se hacen bolas a la verga.
Sí. Yeah, just make sure you guys hit him up with time. Let him know exactly the issue you're having.
So,
Well, I mean, he'll diagnose it too, but time is not free.
it's not free.
Huh?
Exactly.
But yeah, so I mean, we also finished una pinche llanta, ni
Mira
chequé
cómo
cómo quedó.
dejaste la pinche bed, güey.
Check it.
No te pases de verga, güey. Ya anda los alambres de afuera ahí cacheteando el perro nomás.
Bueno, más cacheteando. The aftermath, cuando fuimos a quemar llanta. Pero bueno, así quedamos. Well, I mean, we're gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. It was a little quick. It was a short one, actually. Little 10-minute video. It's all good. It is what it is. I was also supposed to go drop off the tail lights to my boy AG, pero I'll just keep you guys updated when it happens. I'm supposed to meet up someone and trade them, but I'll keep you guys updated once I do that. I'll document it as well, and then we're gonna do Titan window and the sunroof next. So that's what we got in the works next, and then today what we got done is we changed the box for the 10-inch sub, and then we changed the shifting knob or the shifting handle. Pero pues bueno, follow me on Instagram, you guys. I do update on there a lot more frequently at Gordo GORDOOH.JRFFB. Follow me, you guys, and then I'll keep you guys updated on there. Vámonos.